It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. Ashes to ashes, we all fall down. So I'm bringing y'all up in here to show you what this looks like after you mastered it. You just pull it off just like that. You go up and down with your razor blade. These ones work better, they're stronger. The other kind break a lot. These kind break a lot. Still need to clean up a little bit on some of these lines, but I'm gonna let them sit out and do their thing for a few days. Before I get cracking on the bottom here, I think I'm gonna take some time to stretch, maybe do a little exercising. One of the reasons I'm removing the silicone from this tank is that it's been sitting outside for 3 years in that spot. That being said, it's gonna get moved soon. That's why I'm taking off the old silicone. I'm gonna reseal it. Got some deer tracks on the slope here because silicone does not react well to cold and freezing. It's pretty easy to remove silicone. You use a razor blade and it's worth doing. Cool, so now that we got our neck, shoulders, and back all nice and flexible and stretched out, we can get back in here. You have to be careful when using this setup to not hit the vice grips too hard against the glass, so you're gonna break it. The vice grips give you a really good amount of applicable force and pressure that you can put on the razor blade, better than what your hands can do, and it works way better. You just gotta go up and down each line methodically and multiple times. Eventually it'll peel right off. Got that piece off. Not as impressive as the other one here. We got all our silicone off of this nonsense. It's perfect, it's great. It's looking good. You're only going to need 3 tools: razor blade, vice grips, and determination.